Hey guys, it's Seth and Paul from the former Learn From Us podcast. We are here today talking about the new Everything Money channel. We're going to have podcasts. We're going to have whiteboard demonstration. Paul, tell me why we changed the name and where we're going with this podcast.
We've gone back and forth a lot on changing the name versus not. And I just kept gravitating towards changing the name. And when we first started Learn From Us, it was more of a, not masterclass, but the idea was to bring a lot of different businesses and a lot of different people to teach what they're experts in. Not to charge necessarily, but as a free way of people learning. But then as we started doing the podcast, what happened?
All we talk about is money.
All we talk about is money.
How it affects businesses, how the government changes things and affects businesses, how to make it, how to grow it.
Investing in everything.
Everything.
So the other day we were sitting there, I was texting you, right? And I said, Seth, we need to change the name of this. I don't care if it's even something as simple as Everything Money.
Yes.
Because that's all we talk about is everything money.
Yep.
And we all love the idea. I talked to Don. Don loved the idea. It was just one of those things that just naturally came about. And if we're going to talk about money, let's talk about everything having to do with money. Whether it's investing, spending, government, whatever it was, we just thought everything on this channel has to do with money. And everything we talk about has to do with money, so let's just name it the Everything Money channel.
So like, follow, and subscribe our YouTube channel, the Everything Money YouTube channel. We'll do our podcast. We'll have the same amazing guests. Paul's going to talk a lot more about investing and finances, so join us on YouTube for the Everything Money channel.
And like all of our videos so I can pay Seth and Don more money.
That would be nice too. Everything Money podcast, Everything Money channel. Thanks.